Welcome to Learn English. Essential conversation for beginners.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Esha.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from the UK.
What is your job?
I am teacher.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
How do I look?
You look great.
How was your day?
My day was good, thank you.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you love your family?
Yes, very much.
Do you have brother or sister?
Yes, I have one sister.
What does your mother do?
She is a housewife.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I am busy.
What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
Do you walk to work?
Yes, I do.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep 7 hours.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I am.
Do you clean your house?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you take a shower at night?
Yes, I take a shower before night.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, on Sunday.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Do you go to the Gym.
Yes, twice a week.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
How do you go to school or work?
I go by bus.
Do you live in a city or village?
I live in a city.
What is your email address?
It's esha@gmail.com.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I use it every day.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Nisha.
Where does your friend live?
She lives in my neighborhood.
Do your friends speak English?
Some of them do.
Do your siblings study?
Yes, they go to school.
Do you have cousins?
Yes, I have many cousins.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I love it.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, every day.
Is the bus fast?
No, it is slow.
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help at home.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
Nice to meet you.
Me too.